I would say that I was raised by good parents. I was schooled by good teachers. And I think this becomes an ethical, moral issue. So that's not rocket science. It's part of a necessity for the customer to be able to see clearly.
Yeah.
And we already have the stigma that we're overpriced and least convenient. I would never charge to replace wiper blades. I would never charge to replace wiper blade inserts. And I haven't charged to replace either of those items for the last 30 years. So my opinion is, since you asked, if the dealership is relying to increase their fixed absorption at the store by charging 1/10 or 2/10 to put on a pair of wipers, they're in for a long uphill battle. And, there's different train of thoughts, but I think that, again, it's my own opinion that I would never charge for that.
Well, I'm a damn customer and I don't want you charging me for it. Okay. Cause it only takes seconds, right?
Correct.
Right. We got some feedback that wiper blades these days are, there's 15 pieces and you have to puzzle them together and it takes a little time. And I mean, there were a lot of different perspectives on it.
If you can help identify who those people are, I can probably go purchase one of those little kids games with that little square peg and the round ball, and I'll send it to them so they have the ability to practice after hours. It's not that complicated. Give me a break.
No,
that'd be like charging. That would be like charging you an additional fee to wait in line to pay your bill at Starbucks or McDonald's or one of those fast food places that I don't visit.